My English trimmer here. Now I'm making a video on how to make a DIY airsoft gun out of household items. First you'll need a rubber band of any size. It only works with rubber bands, so if you have any hair bands it will not work because they don't stretch far enough. A tube, clean out the tube of a pen. Make sure you have the right size. A paper clip. I'll show you how you do that. First step, get a paper clip, flatten it out like this. Flatten it out like this. Then what I want you to do is take this out and make it into kind of a long L shape. And then kind of bend the other part to make this shape. It works better with this part bended like that. Take your pen piece, shove the bend it all the way back part in. Take your rubber band and put it around this little thing. And I'm going to get a BB real quick. Put your baby in. Pull it kind of out before you do it. And hold this way out. You'll see, you'll have it like that. You will pull this back. Malfunction. Yeah, sometimes it does that. Malfunction. Okay. Every now and then it will do that. The rubber band will slip when we put it back in place. Okay. And you'll pull this back. Oh, come on. Oh my God. When I first made this, it did not do this. This is not going as I expected it would. Okay, now I gotta redo all that. If I knew how to edit, I would make 3 hours later design. Because it feels like it's been 3 hours, but it's only been 3 months. You will pull. Okay. New feature. Hold the rubber band in place while you pull it out. Pull it like this. And let go. You got yourself a homemade airsoft gun. Very powerful. Not a good aiming gun. But it will, if it hits, yeah.